Hello students, 6th English medium. In the revision of Maths chapter 1, today it will be the final session. From tomorrow, from next session, we will start the revision of chapter number 2. So now, today, let's do some examples. First question is, write the smallest and the greatest number using the given digits. And the condition is that you mustn't repeat any digit without repeating any digit. Means all the digits that are given should be used only once. And you have to make the smallest also and the greatest number also. So let's check the first set of numbers. The numbers given are 3, 6, 4, 2, 9 and 7. So we will make the smallest and the greatest number. So first we will write down smallest number and then greatest number. So here smallest, to write down the smallest number, you have to start from the smallest digit. So here 2 is the smallest digit, then 3, then 4, then 6, 7 and 9. So number is 2,34,679. Greatest number will be the reverse, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Means the 9,76,432. Let's take the another one. It is the 3, 1, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Let's take in place of 3. We can, because we don't have to repeat them. So take 6. So here we will write down the smallest number and then greatest number. So in smallest, 1 is the smallest, then the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is the number 13,45,678. Now the greatest number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. That is the 87,65,431. Take the third set, in which the numbers are 5, 7, 0, 1, 3, 2, 8 and 9. There are 8 digits. So now the smallest and the largest number or the greatest number. Now generally we start, when we make the smallest number, start with the smallest digit. But if among them there is a 0, we cannot start with the 0. Because otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it will be only a 7-digit number, because when 0 is in the beginning, then it is not counted. So it will be a 7-digit number only. And therefore, whenever it is situation like this, we have to place the 0 at the second place. Means the number which is greater than 0 will be written first, and then 0, and then other in the increasing order. So here after 0 the number is 1, so we can write down 1 and 0, and then 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9. So it is 1,02,35,789. But when we write down the largest number, greatest number, 0 must be placed at the end, not like that reverse that we used to do in the others. So whenever there is a 0 between among them numbers, you have to be very careful. So here we will write down like 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. Not 0, 1, but 1, 0. Because at the 0 at the end, then it is fine. But in the beginning, we cannot write down 0. So this number is 9,87,53,210. Let's take another one. 7, 6, 3, 1, 0, 5, 8 and 2. So smallest number and greatest number. The smallest number will be 1, then 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the largest number will be 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. That is the thing that you have to remember in the mind while writing the smallest and the largest number like this. So let's take some other types of examples. The question is, insert commas suitably and write the number name. Write the number name according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. It means the number will be given without any commas. So according to the Indian system of numeration, we have to put the commas also, and also write down the number name, means number in the words, that how do we pronounce that words, that we have to write down. The number is, first number 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1. And then 2 also at the last. So now we will insert the commas. So we know that in the Indian system of numeration, we start putting comma starting from the right side and coming to the left side. First comma will be before the hundreds place, then 10,000s place. So first we leave 3 digit, then after that by moving 2 digits, we have to keep the gap to put the commas. So here we will see that 812, then 42, then 53 and then 76. So commas will be like 76, comma 53, comma 42, comma 812. That will be the system in which we put commas in Indian system of numeration. Now we have to write down the number name also. So we can see that it is in the crores. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. It means it is 76 crore. So 76 crore, 53 lakh, 53 lakh. How many thousand now? 42,000. 42,812. 812. So that is the thing here in Indian system of numeration. So very important to put the commas first. So remember that at last there will be 3 digits, and when we move from right to left, the two digits, after 2 digits we put commas, and according to that we write down the number name also. Let's take another example. 9237504 So here our first comma will be after 5 and between 0, 5 and 0, then it is 75 and then 23. So it will be 9, 23, 75, 042. Now the number name of this number. So now it is in crore only, not 10 crore place there. So answer is 9 crore. 9 crore 23 lakh. 23 lakh 75,000. 75,000. That 100 is 0, so we don't have to write down hundreds. So only 42 and 42. That is how we write down the number name in this video, in the number. Let's take the another one example. 6 4 0 3 0 5 0 0. So here, how will we put commas? 3 2 2. So 6 comma 4 0 comma 3 0 comma 5 0 0. So it is here 6 crore 40 lakh 30,000 30,000 and 500 and 500. By this method, we can write down the numbers with commas in Indian system of enumeration, and we write down the number name also by this method. Now, in the previous sum, we learned about how to put commas in according to the Indian system of numeration. Now, according to the international system of numeration, let's take an example. 692 543 721. In the international system, we have to put commas starting from right side and leaving three digits. In Indian system, what we did, first 3 digits, then after 2 digits. But here, every 3 digits we have to count. So here you will see that there will be 2 commas here. So 692, 543, 721. So now here in this system, ones place is there, tens place, hundreds place, 1,000, 10,000, and then not lakh but 100,000. Then no lakh, crore, but there will be million now. So million, 10 million and 100 million. And if there is more, then it will start billion. So here it is in the 100 million, so it is 692 million. 692 million. Then 543,000. 543,000. 721, that is the same. 721. So it separates after the 10,000 place, because it is 100,000 also. Then in place of lakh and crore, there is direct million. 10 million, 100 million. Let's take one more example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Let's take one more digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 digits. So here 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits and 1 digit. So 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 7. Commas will be placed like this. And now the number name. So here according to that, that was million, 10 million, 100 million. So 692 million were there. So here millions are finished and then it starts billion. So it is the 3 billion. So the number name is 3 billion. Then same like that, 534. So 534 million. 34 million. Then 578,000. 578,000. 78,917. 970. Now take some question according to the Roman numerals. Right? Roman numerals. For following. Let's take first number 64. So when write down 64, it means it is 60 plus 4. For the 60, we don't have a special number. So 50 plus 10 plus 4. 4 also we have to write down as 5 minus 1. Because we can't use I 4 times. Only 3 times it can be repeated. So now we know that 50 is L, 10 is X. So Lx, and for 5 minus 1 means 5 minus 1. So to write down 64 in Roman numerals, it will be LXIV. Let's take another 73. 73 is 70 plus 3. 70 is 50 plus 20 and plus 3. 50 is L. 20 means 2 times X, and then 3 means I. So that is the Roman numeral for the 73. Then let's take another one, say 48. 48 is written as 40 plus 5 plus 3. 40 we can't write down, so 50 minus 10. So 50 is L, minus 10 means at the left side, in front of it. So that is 40 now, plus 5. For 5 we use V, and for 3, 1, like that. So that is the Roman numerals. Just you have to remember the rules for the Roman numerals, that we cannot use more than 3 times. So if you have to subtract, then we write down in the left side and so on. So by this way, same way you can write down the reverse also. It is also same, easy. So here we are going to stop the revision of the first chapter. It will be followed by the PDF file. Write down in the notebook, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.